Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to customize the homepage in the Naver Whale browser on mobile, if you want your favorite website to open automatically every time. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you see the option labeled Homepage and tap on it. After that, select the option that allows you to go to a specific homepage. Now, type the website address you want, such as google.com, into the provided field. Finally, tap the Save icon located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your choice. From now on, every time you open Naver Whale on your mobile device, your selected website will load automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.